What are the best deep cleaning techniques for memory foam mattresses?
Memory foam mattresses have become increasingly popular over the years due to their ability to contour to the body and provide excellent support. However, like any other mattress, they require regular cleaning to keep them in top condition. In this video, we'll explore some of the best deep cleaning techniques for memory foam mattresses.
What is memory foam?
Before we dive into cleaning techniques, let's first understand what memory foam is. Memory foam is a type of polyurethane foam that was originally developed by NASA in the 1960s to improve the safety of aircraft cushions. It is made up of millions of tiny cells that respond to pressure and heat, allowing it to mold to the shape of your body.
Why clean your memory foam mattress?
Regular cleaning of your memory foam mattress is important for several reasons. First, it helps to remove dust, dirt, and other allergens that may accumulate over time. This can help reduce the risk of allergies and other respiratory issues. Additionally, a clean mattress can help extend the lifespan of your mattress, ensuring that you get the most out of your investment.
Deep cleaning techniques.
Now that we understand the importance of cleaning your memory foam mattress, let's explore some of the best deep cleaning techniques. 1. Vacuuming. The first step in deep cleaning your memory foam mattress is to vacuum it. Use a vacuum cleaner with a soft brush attachment to gently remove dust and debris from the surface of the mattress. Be sure to pay special attention to the seams and crevices where dirt and dust can accumulate. 2. Spot cleaning. If you have any stains on your memory foam mattress, you'll need to spot clean them. Use a mild detergent and water to gently clean the affected area, being careful not to saturate the foam. Blot the area with a clean, dry cloth to remove any excess moisture. 3. Deodorizing. To eliminate any odors from your memory foam mattress, you can use baking soda. Sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda over the surface of the mattress and let it sit for several hours. Then, use a vacuum cleaner to remove the baking soda. 4. Steam cleaning. Another effective deep cleaning technique for memory foam mattresses is steam cleaning. Use a handheld steam cleaner to apply steam to the surface of the mattress. This will help kill any bacteria and remove any dirt and debris that may be trapped deep within the foam. In conclusion, memory foam mattresses require regular deep cleaning to keep them in top condition. Vacuuming, spot cleaning, deodorizing, and steam cleaning are all effective techniques that can help you maintain a clean and healthy mattress. By following these techniques, you can help ensure that your memory foam mattress provides you with years of comfortable and restful sleep.